President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga have clashed over controversial businessman and ZANU-PF benefactor Wigno Chivayo in a growing dispute that exposes the fractures within Zimbabwe's ruling elite. Sanapena mashoko ataona kuti aiwa vakomana panapa vana Chivayo tichiona vachiramba vachidhisha audi zvavari kuita izvi zvawedzera kusplita vakomana vaviri ava muri kuona panguva ino aiwa they are fighting to rule the country. Sanapena mashoko mbanyura pana kuti ubva subscribe or like or on the bell yakuti mina munoda the tensions became evident on Monday at State House when Mnangagwa met with editors to address concerns about the alleged push for constitutional amendments to extend his rule. During the meeting, Mnangagwa vigorously defended Chivayo, dismissing any suggestion that he was politically aligned with him. Chivayo is not my friend, Mnangagwa said in response to a question about Chivayo's influence. Stop wasting my time on somebody who is using his money to philanthropic. If he were a thief, he would have sent the police. His comments come in the wake of VP Chiwenga's certainly veiled warning about the rampant looting of state resources by politically connected elites. Without naming Chivayo directly, Chiwenga metaphorically referred to him as Jigananda, implying that he was aware of individuals entrenching themselves at the expense of the state. The rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga over Chivayo's influence intensified after the businessman recently purchased a brand new 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black badge for Mnangagwa's chief financial enabler, Kudakwasheta Gwirei. The ultra luxury vehicle, valued at 1.2 million, is set to go into production in April and will be delivered in July 2025. ndo mashoko ari kuda pana vatinoti mutungamiriri wenyika yezimbabwe ozvidhifenda nekudhifenda nachivayo wacho achibuda in public atora mashoko achiti aiwa ini chivayo ndombomuzivi kunyange muchivaona mavidheos vari vese and the likes kunyange nepamwe pamarali munomboona vachifamba vese achimboatenda but anoti aiwa sezvaari kuita izvi ari kuita nemari yake. Tudze mafungiro enyu ati kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, so no subscribe or like, turn on the bell.